In this very brief video, I'm going to be looking at completing the square. Right, here we go. Here's an algebraic expression, x squared plus 8x plus 5. I'm going to write it in the form of x plus a all squared plus b, sometimes also known as completing the square. And the way I do it is as follows. Let's look at the first two terms of the expression, x squared plus 8x. If I have x plus 4 in a bracket that's squared, I would get x squared plus 8x plus 16. I want to get x squared plus 8x. So all I have to do is, from that expression there, take away 16, and lo and behold, I would get x squared plus 8x. However, I want to get the expression to equal x squared plus 8x. I've done that bit and that bit, plus 5. So what I do now is I add 5. So the full answer is it's x squared plus x plus 4 all squared, take away 11. Where do I get take away 11 from? Minus 16 plus 5. Just go through that once more. I want to write x squared plus, oh no, let's have a look at a minus one. Minus 6x plus 3. And I want to write it in the form of x minus a all squared plus some other number. Or in other words, I want to complete the square. How do I do it? Run through this again. Look at the first two terms. What do I need inside my brackets? I need x minus 3 all squared. Because when I expand that bracket, I would get x squared. I'd get minus 6x. I'd also get plus 9. I don't want that plus 9, so I take it away. However, I want my full expression to be x squared minus 6x plus 3. So I plus 3 to that. Now all I do is I just simplify the right hand side. I get x minus 3 all squared minus 6. Now, how do I use that to solve equations? Well, let's go through one example of this. Let's say we want to solve the equation x squared minus 10x plus 2 equals 0. And you're told the GCSEs help you along with this. First, write it in the form of x minus a all squared plus b. Run through this. Look at the first two terms. So we're going to get x minus 5 in our brackets, all squared. This number here is always half the number in front of x in the first two terms. Now, when I expand that, I get x squared minus 10x. I want both of those. However, I also get plus 25. I don't want that, so I take away the 25. So we've got minus 25 here. But the whole expression I want is x squared minus 10x plus 2. So add the 2 that you want. And then just simplify the stuff outside the brackets, terms outside the brackets, and we get x minus 5 all squared minus 23. Now I want to equate that to 0, so I write equals 0. Now how do I use this to solve an equation? Well, first things first, I move the minus 23 to the right, so I get x minus 5 all squared equals plus 23, or 23. Next, I want to unsquare that bracket, so I get x minus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 23. And we're almost there. Then I move the minus 5 to the, well, I want to use red there. Come on, why didn't you move? Oh, anyway, there you go. So I move the minus 5 to the right hand side, so I get x equals. Notice how I put it in front. Plus 5 plus or minus the square root of 23. So the full solution is x equals plus 5 plus the square root of 23 or plus 5 minus the square root of 23. Thank you for listening.